Good morning, dear students. Greetings of the day. So yesterday that we have completed chapter number 7, the equatorial regions, and soon after that I have sent the exercise. Okay, so you will have the proper timing to complete your exercise, your whatever the homework that I have given yesterday in the form of PDF. Okay, so according to our planning for essay 1, we have taken from chapter number 1 to 7, and we are not going to take chapter number 3, chapter number 1 to 3, chapter number 5, 6, 7. Okay, chapter number 4 that I have not taken for essay 1. We have completed chapter number 1, chapter number 2, chapter number 5, 6, and 7. All the 5 chapters that we have completed. Now this is the 6th chapter. Okay, which is the 6th chapter, chapter number 3, movements of the earth. So that we are going to start from today onwards. And as our discussion, as our rules and regulation, what we are going to do, first of all, before starting any chapter, we are going to learn hard words, and the same method that we are going to follow today onwards in this online class. Okay, so now take out your textbook, notebook, keep the ball pen, pencil, everything with you, and listen very properly. Few hard words are there. This chapter that you are going to enjoy very much, because we are going to learn lot of things about the earth, about the different moments of the earth, how the day and night occurs, about the leap year, why there are 365 days in the calendar year, why 28 days in the month of February, all the questions, how the day and night occurs, how the season changes in our earth, in our planet, how our planet is unique than other planets, which is the basic extraordinary things that we have. Okay, so all that interesting things, informative knowledge that I'm going to share with the help of this screen sharing. I'm going to show you some of the interesting videos regarding to this chapter. But before that, as our rules and regulation, as our norms, we are going to follow the method. So now today onwards, we are going to start first of all chapter number 3, movements of the earth, their effects. And now I am going to share the screen of the hard words. First I am going to pronounce, okay, and the word that I am going to explain in the chapter. Okay, pronunciation that we are going to start. Hard words. First, we are going to learn the hard words that are there present in that chapter number 3. Now, I am going to share the screen. Chapter 3, movements of the earth, their effects. Okay. And first I am going to do some of the settings, and afterwards I will change everything. Okay, so you will better understand. Now no one is able to do anything here. Right now, Nandita Bera, what is on your screen, beta?
Sir, chapter 3, movements of the earth, their effects, Harvard.
Okay, so first we are going to learn, okay, that hard words. First that we are going to learn. But before that, I am going to do something so you will better understand. Okay, just wait for a while and soon after that we are going to start. Okay, now you can see. Okay, chapter number 3, movements of the earth. Hard words. Okay, that we are going to learn now. Okay, first I am going to do some of the annotations which is required to show the correct pronunciation of the word. Now let's start. From here we are going to start. So subject social science, chapter number 3 is movements of the earth and their effects, hard words that we are going to start. Okay, let's start now. First word is tilt. T-I-L-T-E-D, tilt. Tilt. It is the past form of tilt. Okay, tilt. T-I-L-T-E-D, tilt. Tilt. Second word is imaginary. I-M-A-G-I-N-A-R-Y, imaginary. Second word is imaginary. I-M-A-G-I-N-A-R-Y, imaginary. Next word is axis. A-X-I-S, 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 axis. Next word is calendar. 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 C-A-L-E-N-D-A-R. Calendar. C-A-L-E-N-D-A-R. Calendar. Next word is spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. Next word is hemisphere. 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 H-E-M-I-S-P-H-E-R-E. Hemisphere. 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 Next word is movement. Movement. M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T. M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T. Movement. Movement. M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T. M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T. Spin. Spin. S-P-I-N. Spin. To spin. Okay. S-P-I-N. S-P-I-N. Spin. Next word is rotation. Rotation. R-O-T-A-T-I-O-N. R-O-T-A-T-I-O-N. Rotation. Rotation. Next word is leap year. L-E-A-P-Y-A-A-R. Y-E-A-R. Leap year. L-E-A-P. Leap. Y-E-A-R. Year. Leap year. Leap year. Next word is autumn. Next word is autumn. Here N will be silent. Autumn. We are not going to pronounce N here. N will be silent here. Autumn. Autumn. Next word is O-A-U-T-U-M-N. A-U-T-U-M-N. A-U-T-U-M-N. Autumn. 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 Next word is southern. It is not southern. Some of the students are pronounce this word southern. No, it is not southern. It is southern. It is southern. Southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere. Okay. SOUTHERN. 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 Okay. Next word is revolution. 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 Listen properly. Revolution. 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 Next word is exposed. Exposed. Next word is exposed. 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 Orbit. 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 Next word is varies. 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 Next word is northern. It is also northern. 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 Okay. NORTHERN. 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 Okay. Next word is western. Next word is western. 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 Okay. Once again, I am going to pronounce all these hard words once again. Okay. Let's start from here. Tilt, imaginary, axis, calendar, spring, hemisphere, movement, Spain, rotation, leap year, autumn, southern, revolution, exposed, orbit, varies, northern, western. Okay. Now, dear student, it is your turn. Okay, it is your turn to speak these hard words. Who wants to start first? Raise your hand. Hardik Patel, start first. From your screen, read one by one.
Tilt. TILT.
Once again, repeat. Repeat.
Tilted.
Tilt. It is not tilted. It is tilt.
TILTED. TILTED. Imaginary. 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 Axis. 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 Calendar. 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 Springing.
Spring.
SPRING.
It is just spring.
SPRING. Spring.
Wait for a while. Wait for a while, the network will soon there. Okay, so don't go anywhere. Now join.
Yeah.